Under the initiative of Legato Club, students organized and participated in a comprehensive moot court activity. The exercise was designed to bridge the gap between theoretical legal concepts and the practical courtroom application. Focusing on a complex case study, the students tackled a case regarding the illegal transfer of ancestral property, then the bribe taken by the officer, that is again illegal one. They undertaken the concept of free consent and administrative corruption. Through the research, the students analyzed the case and developed a legal solution. Their arguments and the resulting moot court proceeding demonstrated a sharp understanding of statutory provision. The entire event was a student led initiative that showcased their keen observation skills and dedication. They drafted the courtroom script and framed legal arguments. They managed the logistics of moot court, creating an authentic courtroom environment.
तुमच्याकडे काय पुरावे आहेत का ॲडव्होकेट वैष्णवी?
हो, आम्ही सादर करणार.
माझे नाव प्रतीक्षा आहे. मी नारायण काकांचं तरी
They can learn lot of concepts which are in the business law, because case study method is the best way to understand the concepts, and playing the role, definitely they will remember the provisions, the lacunas, everything.
लक्षात ठेवा, कायदा सर्वांसाठी समान आहे. मुलींनो, आपले हक्क ओळखा आणि अन्यायाविरुद्ध आवाज उठवा. कधी घाबरू नका.